Let's get right to the big question, the one that's on everyone's mind as technology races ahead faster than ever before. In a world where machines are learning, adapting, and even creating, it's natural to wonder, what does this mean for your job, your career, and your future? Will AI take your job? It's a question that sparks anxiety, debate, and even excitement, depending on who you ask. The headlines are everywhere: robots replacing workers, algorithms automating tasks, and entire industries transforming overnight. With AI now able to create videos, write articles, generate art, and analyze data in seconds, it's easy to feel like no job is safe. The speed and scale of these changes can be overwhelming, and it's only natural to worry about how your own role might be affected. But here's the truth. The reality is far more nuanced, and a lot less scary than the doom and gloom stories suggest. Yes, things are changing, but change doesn't always mean disaster. In fact, it often means opportunity. This isn't a robot apocalypse where machines suddenly take over and leave us all jobless. Instead, what we're seeing is a massive shift in how we work, collaborate, and create value. Robots and AI are becoming our partners, not just our replacements. AI is already woven into our daily lives, from the phones in our pockets to the software we use at work. It's getting smarter every day, learning from us, and helping us solve problems faster than ever before. So instead of panicking or feeling powerless, let's break it down together. What's really happening? What jobs are at risk and which ones are actually becoming more valuable? AI is the most powerful tool humanity has ever built. It's not just changing the workplace, it's redefining what's possible. From manufacturing to medicine, from finance to filmmaking, AI is opening doors to new ways of working and thinking. Yes, some jobs will disappear as automation takes over repetitive or dangerous tasks, but many roles will evolve, requiring new skills and creativity. And entirely new careers, ones we can barely imagine today, will emerge as technology advances. The key to thriving in this new era is understanding the change, adapting to it, and finding your unique place within it. It's about being proactive, not reactive, about learning, growing, and staying curious. Think back to the rise of the internet. It didn't just eliminate jobs, it transformed them, and created millions of new opportunities that never existed before. Entire industries were born and people who adapted found new paths to success. AI is like the internet, but on an even bigger scale. The changes will be faster, the impact broader, and the opportunities even more exciting for those ready to seize them. The next 5 years will be a wild ride, a period of rapid transition, experimentation, and growth. Some jobs will fade, but others will be born. The world of work will look very different, but it will also be filled with new possibilities. This isn't about fear, it's about getting ready to thrive. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and embrace change with confidence and creativity. We'll explore which jobs are safe, which are at risk, and how even creative fields like art, design, and storytelling are being transformed by AI. You'll see how technology can be a partner in your work, not just a competitor. Most importantly, you'll discover practical steps you can take right now to stay ahead. Whether that means learning new skills, embracing lifelong learning, or finding new ways to add value in your field. The future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we build together every day. So let's dive in and see how you can shape your own future in the age of AI. So, what jobs are safe from the ever-growing reach of artificial intelligence? As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it's natural to wonder which careers will remain uniquely human, and which might be replaced by machines. The answer isn't always simple, but there are some clear patterns emerging. The roles most resistant to automation are those that require a genuine human touch. Jobs where empathy, dexterity, and complex problem-solving are at the core. These are the positions where intuition, compassion, and adaptability matter just as much as technical skill, and where every day brings new, unpredictable challenges that can't be solved by algorithms alone. Take nurses, for example. Their work goes far beyond administering medication or following a checklist. Nurses offer comfort to patients and families in their most vulnerable moments, and they make split-second decisions based on subtle cues, like a change in a patient's expression or tone of voice, that AI simply can't interpret. Their ability to connect, reassure, and respond with compassion is irreplaceable. Then, there are the skilled trades: plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and more. These professionals rely on hands-on expertise, creative problem-solving, and adaptability in unpredictable environments. Every home, every repair, every installation is different, and it takes years of experience to master the craft. No robot can crawl under a sink and improvise a solution to a leaky pipe quite like a seasoned plumber. Therapists, counselors, and managers also stand out. Their work is built on emotional intelligence, the ability to read people, and the skill to navigate complex social dynamics. Whether it's helping someone through a crisis or guiding a team through a tough project, these roles demand a level of understanding and intuition that goes far beyond data analysis. And let's not forget artists: painters, musicians, writers, and creators of all kinds. While AI can mimic styles or generate content, it can't replicate the depth of emotion, the lived experience, or the unique perspective that comes from being human. True art is about telling stories, expressing feelings, and connecting with others on a deeply personal level. Ultimately, these jobs are about connection, creativity, and care. They're about building trust, inspiring others, and making a difference in ways that can't be measured by code or algorithms. For now, the human touch is irreplaceable. No matter how advanced AI becomes, there are some things only people can do. Like offering a comforting hug, understanding a subtle joke, or sensing when someone needs help without them saying a word. If your work is built on compassion, physical skill, or authentic creativity, you're in a strong position. These are the qualities that set us apart from machines, and they're likely to remain in high demand for years to come. The most compelling work comes from real experience, from people who have lived, learned, and grown. Whether you're teaching, leading, creating, or caring, your humanity is your greatest asset. In these fields, humanity is still the killer app, and for now, that's something no AI can steal. Now, which jobs are most at risk? If your work is repetitive, predictable, and data-driven, pay attention. Data entry, basic report generation, and routine customer service are prime targets for automation. AI can handle structured, rule-based tasks 24/7, often with better accuracy. Chatbots now answer common questions instantly, reducing the need for entry-level support roles. Proofreading and basic content analysis are also being automated. If your job can be broken into logical, repeatable steps, AI is coming for it. The value of these roles is shifting fast. The more mechanical the task, the more likely it is to be automated. Adaptability is key. Creative jobs were once thought safe, but AI is changing that. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let anyone generate art in seconds. For creatives, AI is both a powerful assistant and a competitor. It can handle grunt work, freeing humans to focus on vision and originality. But for stock images or basic design, AI is already replacing some jobs. The value now lies in unique style, voice, and story, things AI can't truly replicate. The future of creative work is about curation, perspective, and emotional connection. AI is a tool, not a replacement for genuine creativity. The human element is what sets great work apart. So, what can you do in a world where AI is everywhere? The answer isn't to resist or ignore it. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to become more important. Instead, the smartest move is to learn how to work with AI, making it your ally rather than your competition. Embracing AI can open up new opportunities, boost your productivity, and help you stay ahead in your career. Start by exploring popular tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Try out different features, ask questions, and see how these tools can help you with your daily tasks. Experiment with them to discover their strengths and limitations. For example, see how well they can summarize articles, draft emails, or generate ideas. Notice where they excel and where they might need your guidance or a human touch. Next, look for ways to integrate AI into your workflow. Marketers can use AI to brainstorm campaign ideas or analyze trends. Programmers can debug code faster with AI-powered suggestions. Managers can automate routine reports, freeing up time for more strategic work. No matter your role, there's likely an AI tool that can make your job easier. Offload repetitive or time-consuming tasks to AI so you can focus on what really matters: creative problem-solving, building relationships, and making big-picture decisions. Let AI handle the busy work, while you bring the human insight and strategy. One of the most valuable skills you can develop is prompt engineering, learning how to write clear, specific instructions for AI. The better your prompts, the better the results you'll get. This skill is becoming essential in many industries, and it's something you can practice every day. As you gain experience, you can become the go-to AI person on your team. Help your colleagues understand how to use these tools, share tips, and lead by example. Being an AI advocate can make you an invaluable asset at work. Stay curious and keep learning because AI technology is evolving at a rapid pace. New features and tools are released all the time, so make it a habit to explore what's new and experiment with updates. Follow tech news, watch online tutorials, and take short courses to keep your skills sharp. There are plenty of free resources available so you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Remember, you don't need to be an engineer or a coder to benefit from AI. What matters most is being AI literate, understanding how these tools work, and how to use them effectively in your field. Adaptable, curious people who are willing to learn and experiment will thrive in this new era. The more you explore, the more confident you'll become. Don't wait for your company to train you. Take the initiative to learn about AI on your own, and you'll be ready for whatever the future brings. In an AI-driven world, your personal brand is your edge. It's your reputation, your unique value, and why people seek you out. Share what you know, blog, post, make videos, or join online communities. Document your learning journey with AI tools. Combine your skills and interests to stand out. For example, an accountant who tells stories with data is irreplaceable. Specialize, be the marketer who uses AI for viral campaigns. The more unique your niche, the harder you are to replace. Trust is key. AI can't build real relationships. Your network is your safety net and launchpad. In an automated world, your humanity and reputation matter most. Build them now. Make yourself irreplaceable. The AI revolution is global, but it looks different everywhere. In Germany and Japan, AI powers smart factories. Workers are retrained to manage robots. In India, automation threatens call centers, but there's a boom in AI development and engineering. Kenya uses AI to help farmers with crop disease and weather forecasts, boosting local economies. China is racing to lead in AI, integrating it into daily life and making AI skills essential. Everywhere, AI is shifting jobs up the value chain. It's not just about replacement, it's about transformation. Understanding global trends helps you see the bigger picture. No matter where you are, AI is reshaping work. Adaptation is universal. What's the takeaway? Don't let fear paralyze you. The future of work is interactive. You're an active player. Take one small step. Try an AI tool, watch a tutorial, or sign up for a free trial. Action turns anxiety into momentum. Talk to colleagues and build your network. Learn and connect at the same time. Opportunities come to those who are visible and engaged. Invest in yourself. Adaptability and critical thinking are future-proof. Technology changes, but your ability to learn and solve problems is always valuable. Be curious, be brave, and don't fear being a beginner. The future isn't set. Help build it. Get your hands dirty. Start now. So, will AI take your job? For some, yes. For most, jobs will change. The real question, what will you do with AI? Every tech leap brings disruption and opportunity. See AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. The most valuable jobs blend tech skills with human strengths, communication, empathy, creativity. Don't be a passive observer, be an active participant. The choices you make now shape your future. Don't wait for permission. Start learning and adapting today. The AI revolution is here, and it's an exciting time to be working. Stay curious, stay human, and embrace the future.